Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited TikTok coins totally for free. So as you can see, I got over 200,000 coins right now. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this on iOS, Android, whatever. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this website, zoomods.com. They have a lot of modded apps on this website, but once you're here, we're going to see TikTok coins mod. We're going to press on that and it's going to start downloading. So once this mod finishes downloading, you'll have TikTok coins. So let's just wait for it to download here. As you can see, all right, so I'm just gonna give it a second to load up and then we should be good to go, guys. So let's just let it load, bro. So once it loads, we're just gonna go ahead and press like get full code or whatever. So let's just wait and it's gonna bring me over here to the verification. This is the final step. You have to download 2 apps, complete the instructions. They're from the App Store, they're completely free, and this will be TikTok coins. So the big thing people do is they download 2 of the apps and they don't read the instructions. That's the most important part. So as you can see, TikTok says down install, run for 30 seconds. Dice Dreams down install, reach kingdom level 6. So make sure you read the instructions. And then you just press tap to install. It brings you to the App Store and you download the app. So as long as you download 2 of the apps and read the instructions, guys, you will get your free TikTok coins. And down here you can see it says check and completion. So they're actively looking to make sure you did it. So yeah, there's a bunch of apps. You're probably not going to see the same. It all depends on where you live, but this is super cool, guys. So yeah, I mean, I got unlimited TikTok coins with this method, guys, which is so insane. I mean, I never thought the day would come when I'd have this many TikTok coins, but yes, it actually works, guys, in 2025. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get free TikTok coins. This is super cool and it's fully working on iOS and Android. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Peace out.